What's up, y'all? Kanin Cuisine here, food influencer, straight out of Fraser, Tennessee, in Fraser right now. What's going on? Today we're gonna cook eggs. You said, why eggs? Because everybody can't cook no eggs. Got 12-year-old kids, can't cook no eggs, so you can lay in the bed on a Saturday morning and just chill while they make some breakfast for you. But after this video right here, if you can't cook no eggs, I don't know what to tell you, man. You hear me? Yeah. We got a whole carton of eggs. These ain't no special eggs, they just eggs. You hear me? We're gonna do 4 of them, Johns. Here we go. We're gonna crack them first. I like to crack my eggs on a flat surface, not on the corner, because I don't want no eggshells in my eggs. You hear me? So we just gonna crack them one at a time. I sped it up a little bit, save time. People attention span ain't just that long. You done crack eggs before. I don't crack eggs all special with one hand with the smooth trickery. I just do it the regular way. But see, we gonna stir them jumps. We're gonna put in a little milk right there, and the milk is gonna add extra moisture because we don't want these eggs to be dry. That little taste of milk right there gonna do all the business. You hear me? We're gonna throw a little black pepper, fresh crack, and we're gonna throw in some kosher salt. Kosher salt ain't as salty as table salt, because table salt is for the table. Remember that when you fooling with me. You hear me? We're gonna come with the fork, because we don't want no whisk. Whisk gonna put too much air in them joints. We wanna use the fork. The fork gonna have a really nice texture. Just trust me, just do it like that. Flick, 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 flick. When you get your flick, 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 flick together, your eggs gonna be fine. My wrist fine, because I used to cut her, you hear me? So my wrist game of food. Alright, we finna fry them up, we finna cook them joints. We put a little olive oil in there, and then we come with the butter. The oil is to support the butter, because butter can't take no high heat. Now, if your pan hot enough, every time that wet egg touch the pan, it's cooked. So all I'm doing is shifting the pan around, letting that wet egg hit the pan. As soon as it hit that pan, it's cooked. Now throw in a little cheese for a little flavor. Same thing, just keep on rotating it around, and it's cooking. I don't know if you noticed, but I turned the heat off as soon as I put the egg in the pan. We just gonna use the residual heat to make all this happen. So we're gonna throw this on the plate right here, because we through. Carryover heat gonna take care of the rest of it. But now you got nice fluffy eggs, real simple. You know what I'm saying? Kids, special needs, anybody can make this right here happen. You hear me? You heard me.